Good morning, guys. I wanted to film this intro when we were home and I forgot, and I wanted to film it leaving my driveway and there were cars behind me. So, oh my gosh, there's a fire truck, hang on. Okay, so here we are, wow. We are headed to an antique mall of sorts. It has, I think they said over like 700 vendors. I could be wrong about that, but anyways, we're gonna go check it out because some people have started to put out Christmas. You guys excited?
Yeah,
Kinda. I've got my two oldest kids with me and we are ready for adventure, and we thought that we would take you along, so let's go. Guys, this place is huge. We're in a corner of it. This is overwhelming. So the only thing that stinks about this place is it's so big that if I like something, I'm gonna lose it. This one's $25, I'm unsure. Molly, you want that for Christmas?
No. Yes. No. Yes.
There's so many stools here and I want them all. I love these frames. Would I be ridiculous to want this rooster chicken picture for $85? I love it. Okay, you guys, the crazy thing about this place is you're walking, you're like, wow, there's so much to see, and then there's more. Oh my gosh. This is a moment. All of it. I don't need another basket. I don't need another basket. Hey, Emmett, Molly, can I come into your house?
Yeah. Yes, come on. Except this isn't my house. I live down.
Oh, you live down the street?
It's my house. I live down.
How lovely.
And I'm selling. They said this is used for the Emmett Otters.
Really? Love all of the furniture. Basket. I do not need another basket. I love this picture from afar, but the closer I got, it looked like she was cuddling a tiny man. Did anyone else have this as a kid? Oh my gosh.
What's the price? Mom.
$25.
What is this?
Someone's excited about going to the Christmas section. But guys, oh, I wish I had my house so I could buy a beautiful farm table. Beautiful.
Can I see it?
Oh my gosh, there's salt and peppers. That's so cute. Guys, when I say I'm overwhelmed, I legitimately am overwhelmed. Like, you turn a corner and there's just more, and there's more, and there's more. And I plan to be here all day, but I'm still just like, oh my gosh, this is nuts. All right, guys, it's a short and sweet video. We had a wonderful time at the antique store. It's a new day. I did not exit out this video. I honestly, guys, was just so thrown off. Overwhelmed is the biggest word, best word that I can use to describe that experience. It was incredible, but there was just so much. And I don't know, just I think too, what didn't help me was like knowing I have a timeline in my head because I have 2 kids with me, and we did bring lunch, but still they don't want to do this all day, and I had a baby I had to come home to feed. And so like that would be an experience that I would love to go back one day, where it's like just me, or like my sister or somebody who wants to like hang, even just me just me, and just like go all day. And I say that because my sister, I don't know if she'd be able to hang all day, and literally just like go slow, go have lunch, go back, take my time, because I came home and told my sister, like, I feel like I saw like 30% of the store, even though I saw the entire store, but it's antique, so things are stacked and layered, and just like, again, I think I was just so caught up in just like, there's just so much. It was incredible, but it was a lot. So I only got a couple things. I said to my sister as well, I was like, if I was shopping for my house, I 100% would be able to like completely furnish it. They had everything you could want. They had stools, they had dressers, they had benches, they had tables, they had knickknacks, like dishes, everything. It's like an antique store times a million was what it was. It was crazy. But anyways, I got this frame, and then I sent Brad a picture, and he's like, no more frames. So I would have bought more, but he said stop. So, and it was true. I was like, okay, I already got what I needed for the rooms I have here, and I don't know what I'm going to have in my next house. So this one was only $16. That's why I did it. And it's just beautiful. It has beautiful details on it. I really, really love the little like rose flower detail, and just the color in general was really gorgeous. Plus it's a really great size. So I did not let that one go. I would have bought everything if I could have, but it was just no words to describe. And then Emmett picked up this little VW bus. He wants it as a Christmas present. So I told him, I was like, okay, well that takes something off your Christmas list. And he was fine with that. So really cute. Just, I don't know if it's vintage or not. It was just, a Volkswagen Beetle bus, and he thought it was cool, so I let him pick that out. Molly didn't find anything for herself, and I always say, like, you know, this isn't going to be the last trip we're going to go on. We'll go somewhere else eventually, so if you see something else somewhere else, that's fine too. And then what you guys are sitting on right now is this gorgeous vintage basket. I have no details, obviously, of time frame, of maybe if it was obviously made from a store or made from a person. I have no idea. All I know is that it is huge, and as soon as I saw it, I was like, that's what I need for the kids' stuffies, as well as it fits perfectly in the corner of their room. If you guys saw their bedroom makeover, I will have that linked down below and here as well. But I just knew that something was missing from the corner, and I said I didn't really want to stuff the room because we do have a trundle bed that pulls out at night, but this was just perfect, and I can like lift it up. It has these nice little notches in it for handles, and I can move it out of the way, no big deal. So anyways, I only got those 3 things. Again, I had a blast. I want to go back, but it's huge, and it's about 45 minutes away from where we are, so it is a little bit of a drive, but again, we knew we were spending the day. We brought our lunch, we ate it in the car. it was just crazy, but it did make me so excited for us getting our own home, which I want to talk to you guys about because I feel like we haven't updated you on. Brad and I want to make like a vision board of what we want for our next property and our next house, and kind of also like, you know, just our lives, like what's gonna happen, where's it gonna lead. And so if you guys want to see that in a video, let me know down in the comments below, as well as I have some idea for some Christmas DIYs if that interests you. I have a closet declutter that needs to happen yesterday. It is so bad. I almost couldn't find this in the closet because I was like, I don't even know. You guys may have saw like a snip of it if you saw my bedroom makeover, which thank you guys so much for all the love. I'm glad you guys love it as much as I do. But the closet needs to be done. Yeah, it needs to be done. If you guys have any other requests for videos that you want to see, let me know down in the comments down below. Just so many things I want to say, but I want to keep this video short and sweet, and I just hope you guys enjoyed this little come along on an antique haul with me, as well as I do like doing these types of videos. So let me know if you guys like them, and as well as if there's a different kind of style you prefer. Like, do you want me to show you more items? Do you want me to show you more overviews? Do you like close-ups? Like, what kind of things do you like to see when you see someone go antiquing? So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. As always, please subscribe and follow along. We would love to have you here. We've got a long journey we're still going on. Lots more makeovers to come once we've got our own space. Always antiquing, always thrifting. My local thrift store actually has their Christmas stuff come out in a couple of days, and I'm so excited. So we will definitely be going to do that. You can follow along on Instagram if you aren't already, Heart and Home Crew. For now, I'm gonna go eat some lunch, enjoy my lazy Sunday, and I hope you guys do too, and I will see you guys later. Bye guys.